Lesson 1. Know your computer system. A computer is also called a computer system. We have learnt about the parts and uses of a computer system in our previous classes. It can do a variety of jobs for us. Let us learn more about a computer system. About computer system. A computer system is made up of many parts. Each part of the computer performs a different task. The computer system is made up of two types of parts: hardware and software. The parts of a computer that we use to work with the computer are called devices. Hardware devices. All the physical parts of a computer that you can see and touch are called hardware. In a computer, you can see the parts of the hardware that are outside. For example, keyboard, mouse, etc. The hardware devices are divided into four groups: input devices, processing devices, output devices, storage devices. Input devices. The devices that are used to input words, numbers, sound or pictures into the computer are called input devices. Some commonly used input devices are keyboard. A keyboard is used to type data and instructions into the computer using numbers, letters and special characters. Mouse. A mouse is used to point, select and move any object on the computer with the click of a button. It helps to draw pictures and select objects in the computer. It is also called a pointing device. Scanner. A scanner is used to read paper documents, images or pictures and send them as input into the computer. Flatbed, sheet-fed and handheld are mainly three types of scanners. Joystick. A joystick is used to play games on a computer. It helps control the different movements in the game. Touchscreen. A touchscreen is an input device through which the data is entered by simply touching the screen. In this, the object on the screen is pointed using a finger. Microphone. A microphone is an input device. It is used to record voice, music and other sounds that can be stored on a computer. Web camera. A web camera is used to share pictures in digital form and have live chat with our friends and family using internet. It is also known as webcam. Light pen. A light pen is used to point objects or draw on the screen in a way like a touch screen. Processing device. The Central Processing Unit, CPU, is a processing device that processes all the input instructions and displays the result using the output devices. The CPU is a chip which is placed inside the CPU box. CPU is the brain of a computer as it performs vast number of functions. A CPU is further divided into three parts: ALU, CU and MU. Arithmetic and Logic Unit, ALU. ALU performs all arithmetic calculations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, etc. It also performs logical comparisons like greater than, less than, equal to, etc. Control Unit, CU. CU is responsible for handling all operations of the system. The CU gets the data and instructions from the memory unit and passes them to the ALU in a step-by-step manner. To hide the desktop icons, follow the given steps. Step 1. Right-click on the desktop and click on View option. Step 2. Click on Show Desktop Icons to uncheck No Tick it. All the icons on the desktop will become hidden now. Showing the desktop icons. To bring back the icons again, follow the steps given below. Step 1. Right-click on the desktop and click on View option. Step 2. Click on Show Desktop Icons to tick it. Sorting icons. Sorting means arranging. We can sort the icons on desktop in 4 ways. Step 1. Right-click on the desktop and click on Sort By. Step 2. Choose the suitable option from Name, Size, Item Type or Date Modified. Name, to arrange icons in the alphabetical order. Size, to arrange icons in the order of their storage size, i.e. the space occupied by them in the storage device. Item Type, to arrange icons according to their categories. Date Modified, to arrange icons in the order in which they were created or modified. Taskbar. This is the long horizontal bar at the bottom of the desktop. It has Start button, Task View icon, Open Programs icons, Clock and Show Desktop button. Start button. The Start button opens a Start menu when clicked. The Start menu is divided into 3 sections. The left section contains Icons list, representing important menu items. The middle section contains the apps list and the right section contains tiles. Cortana. It is voice-controlled virtual assistant and search box which can be used to get weather forecasts, set reminders, perform calculations, find files, etc. You can instruct Cortana to find the meaning of a word, find the directions to a place, or do simple calculations. To use Cortana, follow the given below steps. Step 1. Click on Cortana icon on the taskbar. Step 2. Type whatever you want to search. Press Enter key. Or click on Speak to Cortana button and say whatever you want to search. Task View icon. Click on this icon to see and move within all opened apps. Opened Programs icons. When an app is minimized, it shrinks to the taskbar in the form of an icon. When we place the mouse pointer on the minimized icon on the taskbar, we see a small preview of the app. We can click on the preview of the app to reopen it. Clock. This displays the current time and date. Show Desktop. Show Desktop is present at the extreme right of the taskbar. When you click here, it minimizes all open windows and shows the desktop. Starting or opening an app. To open an app, follow the steps given below. Step 1. Click on Start button. Step 2. Select the tile of the app, program, you want to open and click on it. Or scroll the mouse to search the name of an app in the apps list and click on the app name, calculator, you want to start. The selected app will get opened in a new window. Each window has a title bar at its top which shows the name of the opened program. You can resize any application window. To the right side of title bar, there are 3 buttons, Minimize button. When we click this button, the window shrinks into a button on the taskbar. Maximize Restore Down button. The Maximize button displays the window on full screen and the button turns into Restore Down button. The Restore Down button is clicked to bring the window back to its normal size. Close X button. When we click the Close button, the program gets closed. Screensaver. Screensaver is a moving image that appears on the monitor when the computer has not been used for some time. This saves the screen from burning out. We can choose a screensaver and the time after which we want it to appear. To set a screensaver, follow the steps given below. Step 1. Right-click on an empty area of the desktop and click on Personalize option. Step 2. Click on Lock Screen option in the window which opens up. Step 3. Click on Screensaver Settings options. The screensaver settings dialog box appears. Step 4. Select the screensaver from the screensaver drop-down list. Specify the time before it starts in the wait box. Step 5. Click on Preview button to preview the screensaver or click on OK button to set the screensaver. Shutting down Windows. After we finish our work, it is important to close the windows properly. To shut down, follow the steps given below. Step 1. Click on Start button. Step 2. Click on Power icon from the Start menu. Step 3. Click on Shutdown option. Windows 10 will shut down and the CPU will switch off by itself. Knowledge Zone. Xbox One does offer game streaming to Windows 10 PCs and other devices through services like Xbox Play Anywhere and Xbox Cloud Gaming, formerly known as Project xCloud.